see you there. Welcome to my first vlog. As you would have read earlier, I was talking about using filtration systems or in vertical gardens, a filter system to filter out some of the grey water. In Poon, there was a recent study saying that up to 85% of these grey water impurities could have been removed through the use of a sand, or they use coconut fibre filters in a plant-based system. However, I think that here I made my own sand-based filter from some things I found at the beach. We've got some gravel, some sand, and then some charcoal down here, and this will hopefully filter out some of the dirty pasta water that I made earlier, which is my example of our grey water usage here on our road trip. And so yeah, then I'm going to hope to put it in and boil it up and make a nice cup of tea. So here we go. Here goes the use of my sand filter. Let's see how efficient it is. Righto. Oh, got some dripping out there. Here we go. And in we pour. In goes the dirty water. Right. Here we go. Let's see. Seems to be coming out pretty clear. So the idea of this is that as we would filter out grey water, we would then be able to produce something that would be reusable. And the benefit of this, say if we had it in a vertical garden, would be that the huge drip through from top to bottom would hopefully quite efficiently filter through the water. If this isn't happy enough, we can always filter through it again. But as you can see in here, if you kind of look closer look, there's these little big bits of impurities which hopefully the gravel will pick up, and then any smaller things will be picked up by the sand, and hopefully nothing will fall through. Now this might take a while. So yeah, so we'll get back to you when this is almost finished. So now we've sort of got through most of the grey water. It's all dripping through as the filter system, and in here the water is much cleaner than it was previously. And so, as I mentioned earlier, that if we were to filter through this again, or if the filter system was longer and duplicated through several plants and plants lower and lower and lower, then it would be, well, I guess you'd have to do some studies, but I'm sure it'd be more than acceptable to reuse in your toilets. And then if there was some way of the big old dream of boiling this at the same time, then maybe you could produce clean drinking water. We're now going to have a cup of tea. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy my blog and vlog.